Well, this is Jay. It is February 10th, 2021 at 1500 hours. I'm going to try to do a cold start on my old 67 Ford F100. I haven't started this truck in several days and it's been in the single digits. Give it about a 3/4 choke. Oh, can you believe that? We'll give it full choke. Sit here a minute. Wow. I've not started this thing up in several days. Several. Do a quick walk around outside. It's got over 500,000 miles. Original paint. I hope to get this fixed soon, as well as this. Possibly may need a new hood. But it fired up. I don't know how much snow is in there, but it's too much. Hope you enjoyed the video. See ya.